Hey friends, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another video. Today's video, I am going to be telling you all how to prepare for Bath & Body Works annual Candle Day sale. So I'm actually pre-filming this video before the actual dates of the sale have been revealed, but I believe I saw somewhere that it's supposed to happen December 3rd through the 5th. So I'm uploading this video today so you all have an opportunity to watch it before you go shopping for some candles. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. Alrighty, so if you do not know by now, I am a huge candle fan. I love candles from Bath & Body Works, Target, anywhere that has candles that smell good, I'm there. But my heart belongs to Bath & Body Works and their annual Candle Day sale. So basically what happens during this sale is that all of their candles, 3-wick candles and single wick candles, are basically on sale. I believe last year they were, I think, $10 for the 3-wick candles, and I think it was like $5 or $6 for the single wick candles, which if you know how much they are regularly, the single wick candles are usually around $14.50 and the 3-wick candles are usually around $24.50. So I have my notes here on my phone, so I'm going to talk to you all about how I basically prepare for the annual Candle Day sale. So the first thing you want to do is definitely sign up for like their email and text notifications. That is basically how I find out about all of their sales. I make sure that they send it to an email that I check regularly, and that is probably the best way for you to know when the Candle Day sale will happen, because they'll usually send a text or an email beforehand, like a couple days before. I will definitely also suggest following them on Instagram, so that way you can also see when they start posting, like, you know, getting ready for the sale and all those things. So you definitely want to make sure that you're doing all that you can to make sure you're going to get notified in the right amount of time for the Candle Day sale. Usually the sale lasts around 3 days. It starts like a Friday and ends on a Sunday. I typically try to do most of my shopping on like the first 2 days. Because the Candle Day sale is so popular, a lot of the scents that are like very well known and very popular go really fast. So you want to make sure that if you do have, you know, some candles in mind and they are typically one of the popular or like really best-selling candles, you definitely want to make sure you buy those as soon as the sale starts. And the way it'll happen is it'll actually be a code. So you'll get email, text, or you'll even see it on the Instagram page, but it'll essentially be a code. So one of the things that I actually like to do beforehand is make a list of scents that I want. So right now I'm actually going to share with you all 3 of my favorite scents and kind of talk to you about what that looks like for me. The first of my favorite scents is the Bergamot Waters, and I like this one so much that it is pretty much done. So I'll definitely be adding this back to my list. The other candle that I really enjoy is the Fireside candle, and so these Bergamot Waters and Fireside are perfect for the holiday season. And this one I'm almost done but not quite finished just yet, so I probably have maybe like 2 or 3 more burns out of this one. And then the other of my favorite is the Champagne Toast. So I actually have not lit this one yet because it smells amazing, and I'm so nervous because I don't know if they're going to have that again during the Candle Day sale. So I've been trying to hold on to this for as long as I can, but I'm thinking I might have to light this one soon because it just smells so good. And even if there isn't another Champagne Toast that's like, you know, candle that's going to be during the sale, I can, you know, still reminisce on this scent because it smells so amazing. So that is definitely what you want to do, is make sure that you make a list of all the scents that you want. I typically go on the site and look for like candles that I've already purchased before, and I will like write those down, and then I will kind of go through and see what new candle scents they have, and I look at basically what notes each candle has, and I kind of determine whether or not that's a scent that I would like. And I usually do a separate list for the candles that I actually want to buy in store versus the candles that I want to buy online. I save the candles that I buy online for candles that I already know how they smell. So I usually go ahead and add that to my cart like the day before the sale starts, and that way once the sale starts online, it's usually like 6 a.m. that Friday, I just type in that code and I press enter and I can purchase and I'm good to go. Because you don't want to, like, the site will kind of crash sometimes if you're not, like, if you're kind of unlucky, which I'm hoping it doesn't, but sometimes the site has crashed before, so you want to make sure that you already have your candles in the your cart, so that way all you have to do is add the code and go ahead and pay, instead of like trying to find, you know, candles and then trying to add to it and all those things. So typically most stores have like different hours for the candle day sale. Typically they'll open around like 7 a.m. So for me, what I do is I set an alarm for 7 a.m. the Friday, well 6 a.m. the Friday morning, because I usually buy online, and then I'll set an alarm for 7 a.m. the Saturday morning so I can actually go in store. And let me tell you something, I don't hit just one Bath & Body Works store. I hit multiple Bath & Body Works store, just because you never know, you might find other candles that other stores may not have. But the biggest takeaway is definitely making sure that you do your research beforehand, because my first year that I actually did the candle day sale, I was so overwhelmed. I was just picking up candles. I didn't even know what they smelled like. And I ended up getting a bunch of scents that I didn't even like, so I ended up giving it away. So that was, don't make the same mistake that I did. So I will definitely suggest, you know, signing up for those email alerts, signing up for those text alerts, definitely following them on Instagram, going online and searching through on the site, what candles you want to buy online, what candles you want to buy in store. For the candles that you want to buy online, go ahead and start putting them in your cart and make sure that you are ready to go, okay? Because I'm telling y'all, it is like the Hunger Games when it comes to the candle day sale. And then, of course, if you're going in store, they do, you know, because we're still in a pandemic, they are very cautious of how much people they let into the store. So keep that in mind, because last year when we went, there was a line to get into multiple stores. And, you know, obviously, like, there's a limit, I think, of, I believe, 20 per person, so you can purchase up to 20 candles online, and I think it's like 15 candles in store. So just keep in mind that you may have to wait in line, not only outside of the store, but inside of the store. So wear some comfortable shoes. Don't be trying to be cute for the sale. You know, wear some warm clothes, but like not too warm, because it does get hot in the store depending on how big the store is that you're going to. But they are still pretty mindful of the fact that we're still in a pandemic. So they try not to have like so much people in the store to where it's like crazy congested. But I don't know if that's going to be different this year, since things are a lot open now, and you know, the vaccine and everything. So I'm not sure, but just keep that in mind. Okay, so now that I've kind of told you some tips on how to prepare for the Bath & Body Works Candle Day sale, I am going to tell you all a couple of the candles that I am hoping to purchase. I haven't put them in my cart just yet, but I do have them like saved, kind of heart them, so that way I know when it is time to go ahead and start adding stuff to my cart. I already know what I need to find. And funny enough, so right now they actually do have a sale going on for Black Friday, where it's like buy three, get three free on like any items. But let me tell y'all, the best sale is the candle day sale. Before I actually jump into the candles that I'm hoping to purchase this candle day sale, I also want to let you know that don't only go for the 3-wick candles, because they actually have some beautiful scents in the single wick candles. And now the single wick candles are perfect to put in like small areas, like maybe a home office, your bathroom, like a, you know, a beauty room, something like to that nature, just because they do burn a little bit fast, but that does not mean that they're not strong enough to basically have the room smelling good. But typically a lot of folks go for the 3-wick candles, just because, I mean, $24.50 versus like $9 or $10. I mean, you really can't beat that. And also, if you are lucky and you already have like signed up for a whole bunch of like stuff like coupons and all those things from Bath and Body Works, they usually send coupons right before the sale. So you might get lucky, you might be able to get like a free candle, might get some money off on your total order, might be able to add some free things to your order. So definitely, you know, like I said, make sure that you are doing all that you can to get the most out of your candle day sale. So now I'm going to tell you all a couple of the candles that I'm hoping to purchase. I will definitely say that what I do is I purchase a lot of candles because not only do I want candles for the entire year, because I'm going to use them throughout the year, I also tend to give them as gifts to like friends and family. And it's perfect to give like for a small gift. They also have like this the cellophane wrapper, the clear like plastic wrapper, like a cute little bow. You can actually ask for that in store. So if you do want to give a candle or candles to someone for the holiday season, you absolutely can do that. And I mean, what better gift to give someone a candle to help their home smell amazing. Okay, so the first candle that I am really, really hoping that I get a chance, and quick side note, they're actually $25.50, not $24.50 anymore. So I mean, again, can't beat $10, right? But the first one that I do want to get is 'Tis the Season. I love scents that remind me of the Christmas season. Christmas is my favorite holiday, and so 'Tis the Season is one of the ones that I do want to get. And let me read you all the notes for this candle. It has rich red apple, sweet cinnamon, cedar wood with natural essential oils. I am a sucker for anything cinnamon. It has me in a chokehold, y'all. I love me some cinnamon smelling items. And so definitely one of the first ones that I definitely want to purchase. Another one that I want to purchase is the vanilla snowflake. So the vanilla snowflake, I was a little weary at first because vanilla, you know, sometimes can be really strong. But with this one, it does have scents of frozen vanilla, iced fir needles, mint leaf, coconut flakes with natural essential oils. And really what got me was the mint leaf and like the coconut flakes and the iced fir needles, because I think that will help balance out the vanilla scent. If I have time before the sale, I may go in store and see if they have it so I can do like a kind of like a little sniff test. But if not, I'm totally okay with buying this one online just because it reminds me of like the winter season. Sorry about that, y'all. My light went out. But the next scent that I do want to get is the Perfect Christmas. And this one has scents of fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, toasted marshmallow with natural essential oils. And like I said, these scents kind of remind me of the Christmas holiday season. So I typically get about maybe like 8 or so candles that have that kind of like holiday feel to it, and then I try to get some candles that I know that I can use anytime throughout the year. But to be honest with you all, because Christmas is my favorite season of the year, favorite holiday, because Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year, I don't mind burning like a Christmas scented candle in like July. No problem with that. And it looks like they have champagne toast, and so I will definitely be adding that to my list. So I feel comfortable now actually burning the champagne toast that I have, so that way I can go ahead and re-up on it, because y'all, I'm telling you, it smells divine. And I'm gonna tell y'all what the notes are. So it's basically bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and sweet orange with natural essential oils. So it's definitely more on the fruity side, but it's not overpowering, which y'all know after watching many of my Bath and Body Works videos that I do not like overpowering scents. But let me tell y'all, this is it. A1. Those are just some of the scents that I definitely am hoping to purchase during the annual Candle Day sale. But I definitely suggest you all go online as soon as you can so you can see what scents they have and which ones you would like, and go ahead and add them to your cart. If you are not comfortable, you know, being in stores and going shopping in an actual Bath and Body Works store, you can absolutely do it online. Just keep in mind that when they're shipping, because so many people are going to be ordering from this sale, that you definitely want to make sure you keep in mind that it may not come within like, 5 to 7 business days or whatever, time shipping frame you select. So keep that in mind. But other than that, definitely make sure that you're signing up for the notifications, following them on Instagram, and, doing all that you can to secure your candles, okay? And don't be like me, because I typically buy like 30 or so candles, but there are people who will literally buy like hundreds of candles. I am not there yet. Don't think I'll ever be there, because the candles that I bought last year, I'm just now finishing up. So I think a max of like 20 to 30 candles, depending on how big your home is and how often you burn candles, is a really good number. But if you're just like, hey, I just need a few candles to last me through the holiday season, that's totally okay too. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below whether or not you're going to be participating in this year's annual Candle Day sale. Don't forget to continue checking out my Vlogmas videos, because I will definitely be sharing with you all the candles that I purchased during this sale. So make sure you subscribe and those push notifications are on. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.